Hey everyone, if you have installed the Pixel Experience custom ROM and you have been facing the problem of mobile data not working on your phone, I have come up with a small solution to fix it. As you can see, it's not showing any connection, but if you go to the first one, GSM WCDMA preferred, it will show H. Is a 3G mobile data signal. Mm, it will work. As you can see, you can also change it into the 4G by just going to the LTA CDMA. It will come up with the light 4Gs. But to do so, you have to do it manually each and every time to use the 4G. So the best way is to just use the first one and it will work, and you don't have to change it every time to use the mobile data.